So the processor does an excellent job of cutting and splitting the wood, but the byproduct is all of this. So the whole idea of this grizzly is to separate that as it falls into the tote, and then we don't have as much cleanup to do. Anyways, the T29 FHC from North Forest is going to be, well, is our processor and has worked us really well. Where are we at now? We've got 50.3 hours on it. Excellent unit, and being that it's a May long weekend, we're going to be busy because I'm sure we're going to outdo the wood that we've already cut and split. Hey folks, welcome back to the Key. As you can tell, we're in full firewood swing here now. One thing I'm going to try to do is make a kind of a grizzly for the wood falling off the conveyor on the processor, so that we don't have all the bark and the fines going into our totes. Cleaner wood, finer wood, premium wood. Anyways, we've got some old railings that we're going to set up, and I think what we're going to do is actually set it up so that this rests on a IBC tote with the bladder cut out, so that we can pick it up after and dump it out, and just throw it in the central boiler, use up all the wood instead of having a mess later. So let's see what kind of trouble we can do. This is mostly going to be time lapse, I would think, and any interesting points I'll point out. All right folks, glad you're here. Let's get to it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And all right, I'll stop talking, let's get to it. Okay, so we got the first series of the railing bottom cut off, and you can see how I've placed it underneath. That's so that crossbar doesn't interfere so much with the sliding of the wood down the rails, or the bars of the grizzly. Not sure what those twisted ones are going to do, if it's going to mess us up or not, but we'll see what we're going to do. So anyways, now I'm going to cut some more of those 1/2-inch bars, and we'll get to welding after that. All right, here we go. Anybody want to buy a letter S? I got a couple. cut and split goes up the conveyor, way up here. Hits the top, goes into the grate, over there. And then all the fines go in there. Okay folks, a little bit windy out here. Hopefully the audio is good. Anyways, Firewood Grizzly is in place. Perfect? No. Work in progress? Absolutely. But it is working. You can see we got some stuff off the side. And tote is pretty clean. So that's what the goal is to have clean, premium firewood. So thanks for try that again. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this one. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, give us a subscribe, give us a chat. Nice to talk. Let me know what you would do differently. Anyways, hope everyone has a great long weekend. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you next time here at Manlistucky. Ciao for now.